In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see events in Salesforce. Whether you're managing personal appointments or keeping track of important business meetings, Salesforce makes it easy to view your schedule all in one place. Let's explore how you can access and navigate your calendar within Salesforce. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the left corner of your Salesforce interface. Here, you'll find a menu that allows you to access different pages and functionalities within Salesforce. Look for the option that says Sales and give it a click. This will open up various tools and features designed to enhance your sales workflow. By selecting Sales, you are essentially setting the stage to access the calendar where you can visualize and manage your events. Once you're in the Sales section, we're going to use the search bar or menu options available to either type or select Calendar. Doing this will take you directly to your calendar, which is a powerful tool for managing your time effectively. Here, Salesforce displays a visual schedule that you can customize based on your preferences. You have the flexibility to view your events for a specific day if you need to focus on today's tasks, or expand the view to encompass the entire week or month to help you plan ahead. This adaptability ensures you can always have the right overview, whether you need to concentrate on immediate priorities or long-term objectives. On the left side of the calendar view, you'll notice a list of calendars that you've set up or been given access to. This typically includes a calendar labeled as My Events, which is your personal schedule containing all the events you've created or are attending. It's a handy way to differentiate between your activities and any team or shared calendars you might have access to. Having this list readily accessible on the left makes it easy to switch between various calendars and see exactly what's on your agenda. While viewing the calendar, you can click on individual events to reveal more details. This can include information like the event's location, time, attendees, and any notes you might have added. It's a great way to keep all pertinent details at your fingertips, which can be especially useful when you're preparing for a meeting or need to make travel arrangements around specific events. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive way to see your events in Salesforce. The process is straightforward and ensures that you can always stay on top of your schedule. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this helps you continue to manage and optimize your time efficiently using Salesforce. Happy scheduling, and see you in the next video.